This cute little pipe cleaner angel looks good sitting on your shelf or hanging on your Christmas tree. For this project, you need a large wood bead, 2 extra fuzzy white pipe cleaners, a tan pipe cleaner, and a gold or silver metallic pipe cleaner, embroidery floss for whatever color you would like to make the hair, a thin permanent marker, fingernail clippers, and scissors. Start by wrapping the embroidery floss around your 4 fingers. About 10 times around is right. Cut the end. Bend the tan pipe cleaner in half. Make a sharp point at the end. Insert the loop of embroidery floss halfway in between. Now thread the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner down through the wooden bead. Pull on the pipe cleaner ends until the top of that pipe cleaner just barely disappears at the top of the hole. Twist the 2 ends to make a neck, and then fold an arm about 1 inch on each side, using both sides of the pipe cleaner. Now twist the 2 ends together just about a ½ inch or so down. Then take one side of the pipe cleaner and start wrapping it around the other. We're going to add a little bulk to the bottom of the body. We're not making legs because they won't show. Wrap the end of the metallic pipe cleaner around the marker to make a good circle for the halo. Remove the marker and then bend the halo at a 45-degree angle. Cut off the end just under 1 inch with the fingernail clippers and set it aside. With the rest of the pipe cleaner, you're going to make the wings. So fold it in half and then bring one side and loop it around and attach it by folding down the end, leaving a little tail of at least ½ inch. Do the same thing with the other side, making the loop the same size as the first one. Fold the tail around and down, and then shape the wings into whatever shape you would like. Set these aside as well. Start wrapping one of the white pipe cleaners around the arm, so you're leaving just a little piece at the end poking out for a hand, and then wrap it down the arm. And then wrap it in a cross pattern around the top of the body to make a little bodice of the dress. And then wrap once and go back up the shoulder and down the arm until you're leaving a little hand sticking out again. Take the fingernail clippers and cut off the extra. Now we're going to attach the wings with that extra piece of pipe cleaner. So hold the tails that you left against the bodice of the dress and use the extra pipe cleaner and just wrap around and around to hold the wings into place. Wrap it down on the body and then use the second pipe cleaner right underneath the wings, and you're going to fill out a dress. So you want it to get wider as you go. So you're going to be making loops wider and wider till you get to the end. And then tuck in the end onto that last loop to secure everything in place. Turn the angel over and stick the end of the halo down into the same hole with the hair. Just carefully put it in there until it's positioned correctly. Now you can style the hair however you would like. You can just leave the loops like they are. I'm going to cut mine. And you can also cut bangs if you would like. I'm going to leave that little curly end on the one side because I think it looks cute. And again, you can just do whatever you want here. Use a skinny permanent marker to draw a face on your angel. I like to just do a smile and tiny little eyes. Once you've drawn the face, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.